Now, after the death of nearly 270 people following the fatal crash of Air India AI 171, the focus, however, is thoroughly on the clues that could be unearthed from that black box. The entire country, which is demanding answers today, they want to know exactly what led to this crash. Now, when it comes to the clues that could possibly be hidden in that black box, that was recovered from the rooftop among the mangled debris. Pratibha, my colleague, who is joining us live. Of course, Pratibha, the situation that has been unfolding now, there are questions that demand answers.
Absolutely, Amita. We are currently at a spot from where you can see the wreckage. Right behind me, you can see the aircraft and the officials who are present there as well, from the forensic team, the NSG team as well there. Currently at the spot as we speak. Trains have also been brought in, and just one look at the area and it will show you the impact of the entire accident. All 241 on board have been charred to death. One miraculous survivor from this aircraft, and there were multiple students who were inside the BJ Medical College where the plane went and crashed, as you can see in the visuals. And look at the impact around the entire area. Are several other buildings that have been blackened completely because of the thick plume of smoke that went out after the explosion took place. There are residents in the area who have been speaking about what they witnessed, how they witnessed the plane within just a few seconds. Some of them, in fact, on this very terrace that we are standing on, they said that the flight was dangerously close and it went within seconds before they could even realize what happened. It crashed into that building when there was a huge explosion, and then there was only smoke all around. They could see nothing. They moved their family members aside and then immediately rushed to the spot where they could see multiple bodies. Now, there are police quarters that are very, very close to this incident site. The army quarters also very close here, which is why help immediately rushed out. Within just a few minutes of the accident taking place, the first responders reached there at the spot. Local residents from the area also immediately rushed in. But the impact of the accident was so huge that within seconds, multiple of the people, of course, most who were inside the aircraft had died, and those who were in the medical college, while many of them were severely injured and were taken to the hospital, the impact of the accident was such that not many survived. All of them from the area have been evacuated, and as you can see, it's a very, very residential area. It's a very densely populated area. Right behind me, as you can see, this tree as well, a huge tree which was also hit by the plane as it was headed there. By the time it had reached right above this terrace, it was very clear that the pilot had lost complete control of the aircraft, which is why it hit the tree here. It's a empty area, and right ahead of that is a medical college where it went and crashed. Now, the questions are, of course, going to be on what actually happened. The investigations to find out what led to this accident, that is still going on. A high-level committee has been formed as well to look at what happened. Meetings have been called as well. But to give you a sense of, the area where the unfortunate accident has taken place, where it's a scene of devastation, as we've been seeing, residents who are living in fear. Every time an aircraft goes from above here, they're unsure. Is it safe or not? Such are the fears that people are living with. In fact, Arunil also filed this report as he spoke to people and showed the area where the rescue personnel, where the NDRF and forensics teams are also currently there at the spot. Take a look at this report.
We are getting a bird's eye view of how exactly sequence of events unfolded on that fateful day. You can see this is the Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel Airport. This is the airport from where basically the Boeing Dreamliner took off from here, and only within 40 seconds, it crashed at the BJ Medical College building. Basically on the mess building it crashed, injuring as well as killing several students who were basically eating their lunch there. Immediately emergency services were activated. Residents from the nearby building, they felt that there was some kind of an earthquake or an attack, a bomb attack. They immediately rushed there. They could see fire, and later on the injured were taken to the civil hospital as well. My video journalist Sanjay Ranjit basically is showing you these visuals. This is the civil hospital where the injured patients are being treated at present, as well as the DNA testing of family members of the victims who have died is also taking place. Now with me are witnesses in the case as well. They basically have saved several students who were basically injured inside. आपसे अगर बात करेंगे, आप ये बाजू वाली बिल्डिंग में ही रहते हो, आपका नाम क्या है और क्या हुआ था उस दिन, कैसे आप लोग यहाँ से भागे थे?
एक दिन मेरा नाम जितेश भरत भाई पत्नी है। इधर से ऐसा हुआ, मैं नीचे हमारा ब्लॉक के नीचे बैठा था, ત્યારે અચાનક એવો ભયાનક થયો કે જાણે અમને લાગ્યું બોમ્બ બ્લાસ્ટ થયો એવું લાગ્યું, પણ અમે જ્યારે દોડતા દોડતા ગયા ત્યાં નજીક ગયા ત્યારે એવું લાગ્યું પ્લેન બ્લાસ્ટ થઈ ગયું, प्लेन ब्लास्ट हो गया। कोई हमको ऐसा लगा तो यहाँ से दौड़ते दौड़ते पूरे चले गए हम, तो वहाँ पे देखा तो विमान गिरा हुआ था। तो 2-3 मरीज भी पड़े थे, घायल हुए, तो हमने उठा के 108 में भी डाला। दूसरा तब तक तो कुछ हम कर सकते नहीं थे, क्यों पूरी बहुत आग लगी थी बहुत सारी अंदर, इसके लिए हम खड़े थे वहाँ पे। पर वो लाइव बम्बा आया, वो लाइव बुझाया, जब हम अंदर गए तब अंदर जाके हमने लाशें निकाली 25-30 जैसी।
अंदर कैसा माहौल था? आपने भी अंदर गए?
यहाँ बॉडी अलग थी, हाथ अलग था, पाँव अलग था, सब अलग अलग पड़ा था, सब कोई जिंदा ही नहीं था, कोई जिंदा ही नहीं बचा इसमें से।
प्लेन के लोगों को भी आपने देखा, पैसेंजर्स को भी देखा
था इसमें की बहुत हालत, बहुत खराब हालत थी वो लोगों की भी, बहुत यानी बहुत खराब।
और एक पैसेंजर जो मिराकुलसली बच गए, क्या उनको भी आपने देखा था? क्या हुआ?
उसको भी देखा था, वो भी आके निकल गया, बोले मैं भी बच गया, मैं बचा, मेरे को खुद को मालूम नहीं है बोले। उसने मेरे को ऐसा बोला।
फिर उनको कौन लेके गया था?
पुलिस वाले लेके गए 108 में डाल के।
आपने क्या देखा था? आप भी यहाँ पे विटनेस था? आप नहीं थे। So basically he is a witness who has saved around 40 lives, student lives from the BJ Medical College. This is the college where the crash took place on the mess building. We are basically understanding the sequence of events, how the plane basically took off from the Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel Airport, and only within 40 seconds the plane was supposed to ascend. It was supposed to take an altitude, high altitude, but it started descending surprisingly, appallingly, and it basically crashed at this BJ Medical College building where students were having their lunch.
Well, we continue getting you these ground reports, speaking to the eyewitnesses, speaking to the families and also to the officials on the latest in the investigation so far in the case. For now, that's all we have in this edition of the Bulletin. Thank you for joining us. News and updates continue on the other side.